Hello friends, in this video we will see the C programming language. Okay, so here first of all we will see what is the C, the short history about C language, and then we will see the features. So firstly I would like to tell you that C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. Okay, he he was the founder of C language. So why the C language was found? First of all, there were BPCL, this type of language. To overcome some problems of that languages, this C was developed. Initially, the C language was developed to use in the Unix operating system. Okay, so we consider the C language as a base programming language for all the other languages, and that's why we called the mother of a language. Okay, C is a mother of a language. So we define the C language in the different ways. First one is the mother language. Okay, so in modern programming language, most of the compiler, JVM, kernels that were written in C language. Okay, so after C, the C syntax are used in C, C++, Java, C Sharp. So same the concepts like arrays, string, function, file handling. These are being used in C++ and Java. So if we see in the C as a syntax programming language, it can be used to do low level programming such as a driver, kernels, and it is used to create a hardware device, OS drivers, kernels. Okay, for example, we can take an Linux kernel is written in a C language. Next one is C is called as a procedure oriented programming language. Okay, so why we call the procedure? Because we know the procedure means the function, method, routine, subroutine. These are all procedure, and C follows the specific series of step for the program to solve. Okay, it follows the step by step procedure. Okay, so we call the C as procedure oriented programming language. Next way is structure programming language. Okay, so structure programming language is a subset of a procedure language. Structure means we break the program into parts or blocks which may be easy to understand. Okay, so we break the program into different parts using function. Okay, that may be easier to understand and modify. Next one is mid-level programming language. So mid-level programming language, we consider C as mid-level because it supports the feature of both low-level and high-level language. So low level, that means machine dependent, specific to one machine. Okay, it is specific to one machine, fast to run, and it's not easy to understand. That is a low level language. And next is a high level language, is not specific. It is not specific to one machine. That is a machine independent. And sorry. So next comes the feature of C language. First feature is it is simple. Simple in sense that it provides the structure approach which contains libraries, functions, data types, etc., through which it can be break into parts. Next is machine independent or portable. C program can be executed on different machine with some machine specific changes. So C is an independent language. Next come is mid level programming language. We have seen it. Okay, high level to low level to high level. Okay, it is dependent, independent. Next comes the structured programming language. We can break the program in the parts using function. Okay, that means the structured programming language which provides the code reusability. Next is a rich library. C contains much of inbuilt functions. It contains much of inbuilt libraries which are inbuilt. We can also derive the libraries and some of them are inbuilt. Next come is memory management. It supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation. We also use a free function to allocate memory to free. So next come the speed. Okay, the speed is fast since our lesser inbuilt function and hence lesser overhead. Next comes the pointer feature. Okay, we use pointer for memory, structure, functions, arrays. We use the pointer to point the address and the structure in structure to address in function array. Next come is recursion. We can use or call the function within the function. Okay, that is recursion. We call the function in the function within that function. Next is the extensibility. can be easily adopt new features in C. So these are the all features that we have seen. So thank you for watching this video.